I write books, okay? I write books as my guilty pleasure. I use Nuwa Pen to keep up to date with my characters. This is the smartest pen in the world, and I'm going to tell you how I use it as a professional writer. So apart from writing on any paper, I find Nuwa Pen has many amazing features, and I'm going to show you how I use them today. So if you're someone like me who's very disorganized and you write a lot of notes randomly in your notebook, it can be hard to keep up with what you're saying. So I find if you go onto the Nuwa Pen app, which is really where the magic happens, you can find them quite quickly. And if I want to find my to-do list, for example, from today, I just type in to do and it comes up immediately. And then I have a typed text version as well. I write books, okay? I write books as my guilty pleasure. And to do that, I have to make lots of character notes to keep up with what the character's doing throughout the book. 80,000 words is a lot of words to search through. So I use Nuwa Pen to keep up to date with my characters. And Nuwa Pen will search my notes and give me a detailed description. So she's described as insecure, often too proud to show or admit it. There you go. That's how I use Nuwa Pen as a professional writer. I hope you find your own little tricks and tips. But for now, see you in the next one.